guys, welcome back to Project Dumpster Fire. So today I'm going to be doing a little bit of maintenance on my motorcycle lift. I noticed the other day when I had the big bike on there, it was making a little noise. It's getting to be a little squealy. It's usually on this particular lift indicative of a dry screw. Now there's various types of motorcycle lifts, hydraulic, air over hydraulic. This is not any of those. This is an electric one. So what it is it has an electric motor and it has a screw running between those two that pulls it together. It's just a giant screw jack basically. So I want to flip it over, take a look, and see what's going on. Probably end up just, all I got to do is just grease the screw, which I have to do every couple years. And we'll be back in business. We can get the Harley up there. So come on, let's take a look. All right, I pushed the lift over on its side so we can get better access to what we're doing. And if you see here, this is the motor over here. This is the motor right here. And it connects through this tube to this lead screw right here, much like the lead screw on a lathe or any other kind of jack. It's an Acme thread lead screw. What we're going to need to do is actually lower the lift so that more of this lead screw sticks out, grease it, run it through, and it should be good to go. Okay, now as you can see, we have a good bit of that lead screw exposed. I'm going to go ahead and grease it, and we'll roll it back up. Now we're going to use some Lucas Red and Tacky because that's what I have right here. So just grab a glob and coat it. The last thing you want to do is let this get all the way dry and have it seize in the captive nut. Then you've pretty much ruined it. You got to replace the lead screw and all that. They don't make this lift anymore. This is back when this is Harbor Freight lift, but it's back before Hercules and all that. This is when Harbor Freight was still sketchy. Those were the days. And it's going back in nice and smooth. Of course, it's going to build up a bunch of grease on the outside there. That's all right. We can wipe that off as it gets closer in, or just leave it. Oops. You got to support the carriage if you're going to do it this way. See that dry spot? And I'm going to back it back off of that dry spot. There we go. And I'm going to grease it again. Just with the same grease. Just keep forcing it in there. Okay, now that we got it up here, we'll just grab this glob of grease that's getting ready to fall off. Just okay. Keep going. Okay, and I'll grease the front of the shaft with the grease I pull off of the back of the shaft. And then it is fully lubed and ready to go. Okay, lift is all greased up and good to go. All I need to do now is flip it back up on its feet and we're done. I swear I'm going to change the name of this channel to Watch an Idiot Destroy His Back. Probably get more views. People like that kind of thing. Oh, that's... Well, that felt great. I'm going to go ahead and ice my back and think about my life choices. Then I'll be back again later and we'll do some work on the Harley. Till next time, thanks for joining me. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Thanks for watching. Ow. Bad life choices. Bad life choices.